everyone, my name is Jenna. I am in HR here at Kinsley Construction. I do the hiring and recruiting. Welcome to day one of our 2024 School to Work event. We have invited most of the local high schools here in the York County area. We had about 300 students respond and say they're interested. We just want to show kids that there is more than just college after high school, so why don't we go check it out? Okay, welcome to station number 1. This is our equipment simulator. This is utilized for our operator development. Folks are able to get some hands-on experience operating equipment, not only behind a computer screen, but then eventually in the real equipment. Now we are making our way to our equipment display, so kids can actually get up in the equipment. They can see it, they can touch it, they can go in there, play around a little bit. They are not on, so don't worry. We're just letting them know what it feels like, because if you haven't been in one of these before, it's pretty cool. This is our survey team. So if you like being outside, but then you also kind of like that tech stuff, this is the place for you. They're showing some of our drones, some of the 3D work that they do for our site team. Next up, we're gonna hit our concrete station and our concrete crew. They're actually getting to level out some sand, actually touch some stuff, get some experience. And then down here at the end, we actually have one of our concrete mixers on display as well. Now we are in our equipment shop. So we service all of our big heavy equipment, all of our fleet vehicles in-house. So anything from a technician, mechanic, some of them are stationed here in-house, and then others are out on the road. If you're a little bit more mechanical, you like tinkering around with things, working on cars, things like that, this would be the place for you. So this year we do have an active job site here on our campus. We are putting an addition onto our training and development center to hopefully, well, definitely introduce some more programs for folks. So this year kids get to see what it looks like when you're on a job. Now we are at our Carpentry Station. So we do have a carpentry development program, and we have some of those students and employees volunteering at this station here today. They're just showing the students how we kind of start a structure and seeing how to operate power tools, how to start a structure, how to frame it. So here we are at our utilities station. Students are actually fusing some pipe right now, so they are actually using their hands and doing things. So our utilities division does everything from natural gas work, water lines. They fall under our civil umbrella, but they do a lot of the work that you would see on the roadways here in the York County area as well as surrounding areas. Here we are over at our paving station. So we have a big milling machine on display for the kids to take a look at and touch, check out, as well as a couple of other smaller pieces of paving equipment. Here we are over at our industrial station. So that big piece of equipment here is our tri-lifter. We also have a heavy-duty forklift, and then inside we will show kids some welding as well. Now we are at our safety station, so we have a few of our safety professionals talking to the kids obviously about safety, but then also lowering them into the manhole. The students are the ones that are able to crank them up. So we are lowering them in, and then you will see a student actually be the one to crank it and lift them up out of the manhole. So that concludes the tour of our School to Work Day event. If you're interested in applying, seeing a list of our most recent available job postings, please visit the link below and check out our website.